Look at this guy. Look at this guy. We out. Skirting on the freeway, Karen?
Oh, he blew his motor.
Did he?
Yeah. What? Oh, shit.
Oh, snap.
Whoa. Oh, how did...
When they go too. Don't need to stop with them. Go. Try to get it with the truck. Pull up, pull up. I wasn't there. Yeah, I wasn't there. I was sleeping. Hey, shout yourself out real quick, bro.
Hey, I'm a little sick right now. One mouth, man. Chilling with boy. You know, EF gang.
Yeah, if you guys want to follow his channel, bro, Respect Most. Now, I'll link it down in the description below, bro.
Yeah, look at you. Okay, right there.
Hey, bro, I can't afford a new camera, so I got to put a mic on that thing. You see?
Yeah, I got to. Hey, back up.
I didn't skip him for this. I'm trying to make some money, bro. This tire is getting cold. Man, we're out here to race, bro. I didn't skip him for this shit. Yeah, what's up? All that shit for nothing.
Let's go straight there.
Yeah. Will. Third? Well, after the second spot, cops broke it up again, and we decided to do a solo pass when we were leaving, and completely destroyed the shit out of the transmission, and broke the axle, broke the differential, broke the shift fork, broke the shift selector, and car is down for the count. Hope you guys are having a better Thanksgiving, but we're gonna park the car and go grab some food, pretty much, with the family, and yeah. Well, we'll continue when we get back, since we are at 1% on the GoPro, but it was fun today. It was a little rowdy, but it was fun today. Well, hello there, guys. So today is the next day from the Thanksgiving turkey run, and unfortunately Kerry's car blew the transmission apart. So he purchased some ET Streets, Mickey Thompson's, and they were the perfect size for his setup, but they were maybe a little too sticky or a little too big for 240 horsepower in a four-door. I told Kerry to do a solo pass. So Kerry did a burnout before making that last pass, and it was a rolling burnout. I told him you need to heat up the tire a little bit more, but use your e-brake. So we were doing some, you know, testing right there in that spot, holding the e-brake up and trying to two-step, launching it in second and first, and unfortunately in first gear destroyed everything, broke the axle, broke the differential. Unfortunately that it happened on Thanksgiving Day, and he needed the car to go to work the next day, which is today. I believe he Ubered to work. So I have two transmission over there. I offered to, you know, put one into his car, pull his transmission out, we'll open it up, look at what's wrong with it, try to fix it. If not, he can purchase my transmission for what I paid for in the junkyard. But we'll figure out what he wants to do this upcoming Monday, because he just has work from now until then, until he's free. When I got home yesterday, I didn't get to work on the car. My family was actually waiting for me here to get home so we can go to turkey dinner, and that's what we did. We went to go, you know, turkey dinner with the family and hang out, watch sports, so on and so forth. It's about 4:30, 5 o'clock right now. It's obviously raining, it's obviously dark, and it's obviously cold. Now, not sure why I'm wearing shorts, but I'm wearing shorts. All I'm doing as of right now is, you guys remember the last video, I did not put coolant, so I'm gonna add coolant in the motor, turn the car on, bleed the cooling system out, and then we're gonna top off the oil. I'm gonna try to move the car down the street, get it more level, check the dipstick, add oil accordingly, and then we'll move back up. Probably not gonna get into working inside the car because it's too cold, too dark, I don't want to get sick. So I'll work with the shifter, console, box and stuff another day, tomorrow maybe. Or maybe I go to the junkyard tomorrow so we can find those trailing arms so we can start our all-wheel drive stuff, guys. But once fluids are topped off, I'm probably gonna just take it around the block and see how it feels, park it. Now I did went up and down the driveway just to see how the clutch feels, and it definitely needs an adjusting. I can't find that sweet spot. Like sometimes it'll be all the way down, it'll go in smooth, or sometimes it'll be about a little past midway, then it'll go in smooth. But definitely gotta tinker with that a little bit. But I'm gonna go drive it around the block real quick. Not sure how to set up the camera here, but oh, it's got some kick to it. Damn, this shit's super hot. Tranny feels good. Pretty ricey if you ask me. I gotta fix that exhaust. Too raspy. It's such a great feeling that this car is up and going again. B series. B series. It's been a long time. Motor mounts are solid, like everything is vibrating. So, car feels amazing. Still got to hook up the fan, put my intake, find my filter for the intake, and everything under the bay should be done. So we're about a quart down, which is about right. Throttle body is a little sticky, so I got to figure something out with that. We are exactly where we need it to be, a little bit over the second dot of fresh oil. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap up the video now. The rain is coming down pretty hard and there's not much left to do to the car other than driving it. When I came outside, my hood latch was disconnected from the T-bar and I had to jack the car up to put my hand around the radius support to pop the hood, and got the cable reinstalled, got the coolant topped off and bled out. Heater blows super hard, and we were able to take it for a spin. It feels good. I was able to quick shift 1, 2, and third kind of pops out a little bit. I'm not sure, but if there's still time, probably can go to Speed Factory's website, pick up their upgraded D10 spring for the transmission in hopes of, you know, helping with the gear staying in gear and not popping out, because we did change all the synchros, so I'm not even sure about that. We came back, we were able to top the oil off the car. We are at the correct level now, and I was able to source my AEM filter right there, made it with my AEM intake, carb legal. It goes really well with the stockness of this engine bay up until the turbo portion of this build, but right now it's looking cherry. I'm not sure about that chrome fuel pressure regulator though, but I'm just gonna have to deal with it. A little history. My brother's CRX that he had back in 1999 as his first car after high school, this was his first mod, and I've held on to it since. So hopefully tomorrow, I don't know if Pick and Pull has a sale or not, but hopefully tomorrow it doesn't rain as bad where I can go to the junkyard, find some EF trailing arms so I can start the jig and the trailing arm process of the all-wheel drive part to the build. And I may also try to fit the 949 off the wagon onto the CRX, because I did notice the front is definitely higher than the rear, and I want to adjust the height to clear 225 50/15s, because I may possibly be driving the CRX to the challenge on these wheels, and given the size 225 50/15s, they are equivalent to 23-inch tires. But you know, the weather will determine what we do tomorrow, but as far as tonight goes, we are done. And you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the turkey run. It's unfortunate for Carrie, but we will bounce back on that car as well too. So be sure to hit that like button if you guys enjoyed today's episode, and if you guys want to stick around for the all-wheel drive content to come, hit that subscribe button. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.